Hey members, if you've been looking for a broker with very low fees that you can use for your trading, especially when you're trading with the strategies that I'm showing you on the channel, you really want to look at this video. You want to watch this video till the end because Fusion Markets is here to give you the lowest spreads and the best trading conditions that you can find in the industry. Fusion Market has a 4.8 rating on Trustpilot, as I will show you guys in a moment. In the coming future, I will be doing some copy trading with Fusion Market. So if you sign up using my link, you'll be a part of those guys who will be copying my trades. But before we talk about that, let me take you onto the screen so that I can show you what Fusion Market is like, so that you can be well acquainted with what you get when you sign up with Fusion Market. Remember guys, take advantage of some of this to save on your trading costs, because you see, when you're trading and you're being charged very wide spreads, heavy swaps and very high commissions, your profit is going to be eaten into. So you really need to take care of your trading costs as any other business does, right? When you're doing business, you need to also look at the costs of doing that business. So trading is a business, so you really need to look at it that way, right? So let's go on the screen. Let's look at what Fusion Markets has to offer, guys. Fusion Markets is a low-cost trading broker which allows everyone and everywhere to be able to trade with low cost. They have a 4.8 Trustpilot rating, which is actually very true. When you click here, as you can see, this is the Trustpilot website. You can see that the rating is accurate. It's 4.8 on Trustpilot. So Fusion Market offers you trading in all of the major instruments, which is Forex majors and the Forex crosses, and then they also offer commodities like gold, silver, and all the other commodities. They also offer indices like US 500, US 30, German 40, Australian 200, and then the Japanese index also here. They offer crypto CFDs, which is BTC, and also all the others like Ethereum, USD, and all that, Dogecoin, USD, and all that. So whether you are a crypto trader or you are a Forex CFD trader, you are all covered at Fusion Markets. Now, why is Fusion Market different? Radically low costs, under 1 hour withdrawal available 24/7. They have industry leading execution speed, which matters especially if you are trading high volumes and you're trading like you're scalping. Execution speed is very important, because if you place a trade and your trade is not immediately executed and it's executed at a wrong price, that is going to cost you and it might end up causing you a loss in that trade. So execution speeds are very important. They also do offer copy trading via Fusion Plus. This is the service that I was telling you guys about that I will also get involved with. If you guys use the link in the description to sign up with Fusion Market, deposit money and start trading today, I will be able to consider you when I start the Fusion Plus copy trading service. Remember, I am on my way right now to start copy trading next month with the other broker I told you guys about, but that broker has a limit of only 500 people. So I will also be adding Fusion Market onto that same service so that I will be able to offer a wider audience copy trading services. So you should also use the link in the description to get yourself an account with Fusion Market, so that when I start doing the copy trading for Fusion Market, you will also be within that group that does the copy trading, right? So Fusion Market is also regulated. As you can see here, you can come to the website and then you can learn more. And then they offer zero commission for US shares and CFDs. Now, how does this work? How do you sign up? You open an account by entering your personal details. You verify your identity using your identity card, and then you can start trading. If you are already trading and you already know what you're doing, you can just go straight to a live account, deposit your money, and start trading. They have several depositing methods, which include but are not limited to all these that you're seeing right here, depending on your region. Like if you are in East Africa, you may find that you can be able to deposit using M-Pesa or any other local payment method, but this is dependent upon the region which you are in. The easiest way to deposit money is using crypto, because that is now available in most of the world. Fusion Market also offers a wide variety of trading platforms that you can be able to use, from the native TradingView that we all know to CTrader, and then MT5 and MT4. All these are available when you use Fusion Markets. Some of you have been also asking me, how do I trade directly on TradingView? Now this answers your question. With Fusion Markets, you can trade directly on TradingView. You don't have to use like a clone TradingView. No, this is direct trading on TradingView. Now let me show you what that means. So if you come here and click, for example, TradingView for web, you can see right here that Fusion Markets is actually available on TradingView. As you can see right here, you can just come to TradingView and you'll be able to trade directly on your Fusion Markets account. This is the official TradingView website which is listing Fusion Markets. So you are able to trade on TradingView using Fusion Markets. As you can see right here, they have traders who are already using them on TradingView. Many people are always asking me when I do a broker video that what about the withdrawals, because it's very important for you to withdraw your funds and withdraw your funds quickly, especially when you've made your profits, right? As much as depositing is very important, withdrawing your funds is actually more important, because that is the reason why you are trading in the first place. You want to be able to withdraw your funds. So to withdraw your funds, there are several methods you can use to be able to withdraw your funds here, and they offer withdrawals 24/7, which means you can withdraw your money anytime and any day of the week. So they offer local bank transfers, they offer bank wire transfers, they have Interact, PayPal, they have Skrill, they have Netella. You can withdraw via crypto, which is instant. You get your money instantly. They also have this Jeton Bank, they have Dragon Pay, they have Me Infinity. This also, by the way, is dependent upon which region you are in. If your country is not listed, please select Other to view available options, as you can see. So if you go here, you can be able to go and check the country where you are in, and then you can be able to see the deposit or withdrawal methods that are available over there. Okay, so you can see here we have all the countries that can trade on this platform listed right here, but it doesn't mean that if your country is not appearing here, you cannot be able to trade. You just go to Others, and then you'll be able to see that you can be able to withdraw your money from this broker, which is Fusion Market. So if we look at the deposit options, they also offer bank wire transfer, Visa, MasterCard, Interact, PayPal, PayID, Crypto, Binance Pay, Skrill, you have Netella, Jeton Bank. You have all these methods for you to be able to deposit your money right now and get started trading on Fusion Market. You can see also here there is M-Pesa for people in East Africa, like we have Kenya, we have Tanzania, we have Uganda. You can be able to use M-Pesa or mobile money deposits and also withdrawals right here. So if you're ready to start trading with the best broker with the lowest trading costs, use the link in the description of the video and start your journey trading with Fusion Markets. Remember guys, as I show you the prop firm videos, as you're trading with your prop firms and you're getting payouts, you must make sure that you use those payouts to fund your personal live account. And there is no better way to do that rather than with a broker that supports you and helps you to trade with the lowest costs. And that broker is Fusion Markets. Remember, as you're trading, there is no way you can guarantee that you are going to always get payouts from prop firms. There is no such a guarantee. So whenever you get a payout from a prop firm, it is very good for you to fund your live account on a broker that you can be able to withdraw without having issues, right? So you know that prop firms, yes, I do trade prop firms and I advocate trading prop firms, but remember that when you're trading with prop firms, there are so many rules. They tell you you withdraw after 14 days, after 1 month and all that. Yeah, there are certain rules on top of the trading rules. There are also rules for you to withdraw your money. Those kind of restrictions do not exist when it comes to a broker like Fusion Markets. With Fusion Markets, once you deposit your money, you trade and make your profit. Let's say you've made a profit of $1,000. You don't have to wait for 14 days or bi-weekly to withdraw your money. You withdraw your money instantly via crypto, or you can get it in 1 or 2 business days if you're using bank wire transfer, right? So that is the advantage of trading your personal live account. However small it is better for you to fund your personal account. Once you get money from prop firms, fund your personal account. And the broker I am recommending is Fusion Markets. Guys, when I start Dev Copy trading and you've used my link to sign up and start trading, you are going to see that as I grow, you'll also be able to grow. Yeah, when I make profit, you'll also be able to make profit. If I make a small loss, you also make a small loss, like that, as we grow together. So I want you to take advantage of this. Use the link in the description, sign up with Fusion Markets today, and then we will all be on the same page to trading together. Guys, take advantage of this low cost broker. It's a very good one that I've seen, and so far when you look at the rating and what people are saying about it, it means that Fusion Markets has a bright future, and it's here to help support traders to succeed in this trading environment. So guys, I would like to see you guys sign up. Comment down below if you have any questions. If you have any concerns, let me know in the comment section and we'll be able to handle that together. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.